We'll demonstrate now MDCLone federated learning system. It is one of the foundation of the offering of MDCLone. We will do a quick explanation and demo how it works and its capabilities. So let's start 1 second. Can you share with screen, Ruth, 1 second?
Yeah.
Okay, just sharing the screen 1 second.
Mm-hmm. One second.
Okay, so we entered the system, so what we can see here, the dashboard, and in a minute I will explain what we are seeing currently. Request remote control 1 second. Okay, so we have different groups in different sites running different models. Each one of the models typically runs for a specific time, and the outcome can get into some kind of a PDF or a metrics of success metrics that will summarize the weights for each one of the AI running modules. So you can run an AI module, you can run a distributed statistics module as well. It really depends on what you deploy. So in the definitions, so this is dashboard, so we can define the sites. Each one of the sites, we can define its URL, we can edit it, and there is a destination and a source. You need a connection, a network connection to this. It will use or HTTP or HTTPS 1.3 connection using encrypted SSL to get to the site. And then you get the groups. Each one of the group represent some kind of a group that will create, it can be an answer for a challenge or deploy a solution. Each one of those solutions, we can define it here, and we can edit its group details and add new groups. And then there is the tasks. So there is I can create multiple tasks. Each one of them, we will define a path for the outcome, the size, the deadline where it should be finished, and then topology, and there may be multiple topology names, how to run them. So different models will run different tasks, run with different schemas, and this schema can be defined in different. So it can be hybrid, can be a bus. The topology of the running is very important. In most cases, it will be predefined for each one of those tasks. And in the end, we got the group model. So a group should submit a model, and this model should run. It can run manual or based on a time. It is integrated with our ACT server timing mechanism. Running this manual will create the code. Usually it's a Python code. We support currently only Python and Julia to run on this remote site. So you can have multiple topology that runs the same group, or in most cases, every group will run its own courses. In the end, we can see that the dashboard that really controls this entire process, where it stops, in what site, what group, and the result can be the outcome of this code. So it can be a PDF, or it can be a weight metrics as a pandas object. Both of those are supported. If needed, the other outcomes we can we can do add them as well. So this is the basic system, but it is an infrastructure that relies on one side on MDCLone big data solution, and allowing to run those models in a distributed way, and a consolidation of the federated learning system joined objects at the other side. The data should be normalized in such a way that the same model will be able to run on each one of the sites. If there are too many differences between the sites, using synthetic data as in a centralized place will be much easier than running them on a centralized, on a distributed way, because this really requires that the data will be harmonized across the sites. That's it. Thank you very much. You can stop sharing road.
Yeah.
Now.